Hi everyone, it's your girl Chechi. Sit with me and let's talk about learning how to build confidence. So first, let us define what is confidence. So in my own definition of confidence is how you accept yourself, how you trust yourself, how you trust your own skills, your own capabilities, and you know how to decide on your own. So I just want to share with you guys na recently, while getting deeper with God, may mga bagay si Lord na tinuturo sa akin na nakatulong para ma-realize ko yung mga bagay na kailangan ko pang matutunan while getting older. At isa na doon yung building confidence. Bakit nga ba mahalaga na meron kang self-confidence? So for me, based on my own experience, kapag meron kang self-confidence, hindi ka natatakot ipakita kung sino ka talaga, hindi ka natatakot ipakita yung mga bagay kung saan ka talaga interesado, at hindi ka nakadepende sa sasabihin sa'yo ng ibang tao. Alam mo kung paano madadalhin yung sarili mo nang hindi ka dinidiktahan ng ibang tao. Another thing for me, when you have self-confidence, you have this peace of mind and you have freedom to express everything or anything you want. God also made me realize kung gaano ka-importante yung confidence kasi kapag wala kang self-confidence, malaki yung possibility na kapag merong big opportunity na i-offer sa'yo, you will shrink back or you will decline kasi wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo, you don't have that confidence na kakayanin mo yung opportunity na i-offer sa'yo. Learning confidence is developed by facing fears, practicing positive self-talk, and setting achievable goals. Building confidence involves taking consistent action despite fear, accepting mistake, and stepping out of your comfort zone. That's why I encourage you guys na maganda na hanggat bata pa tayo, nade-develop na yung self-confidence natin kasi para pagtanda natin, wala tayong kahit anong regret sa buhay natin na sana pala, tinry ko to, what if, sinubukan ko to, diba? So, kung meron ka mang mga bagay na gustong itry, for example, gusto mong matry mag-solo travel, gusto mong matry na mag-work sa malaking company or mag-work sa ibang bansa, gusto mong matry na magkaroon ng sariling business, or gusto mong matry mag-vlog or so on, why not, diba? Ngayon pa lang, turuan mo na yung sarili mo na magkaroon ka ng confidence sa mga ginagawa mo at sa sarili mo. Actually guys, ako, natututo pa lang din ako na mag-build ng self-confidence sa mga bagay na gusto kong gawin, gusto kong itry. And that's why recently, naisip ko na kung mag-step out lang din man ako sa comfort zone ko, bakit hindi ko na i-reach yung maximum level. And I want to document my journey to help other people and to inspire yung mga taong katulad ko. So for those people na you are afraid to be seen, I want to show them my journey para matulungan sila na maging confident sa sarili nila at huwag matakot na mag-step out sa comfort zone nila. So yun lang. I'm so very happy to start this journey. I hope you guys have a blessed day and see you on the next video. Bye-bye!